If you are using Bybit to store or save your money, there's this feature I would like to introduce to you, and that is called auto-save. What this auto-save feature will help you do is, instead of just keep your money idle, it help you make the most out of your money, thereby giving you daily yield on your savings. So to activate this feature, you can do that individually, and there's also a way that you can activate it for all supported cryptocurrencies. So once you log into your Bybit account, you go to this end section. Once you go to this section, you see Bybit savings. By this side, you tap on this Bybit savings. You see this auto savings. This auto savings, it should be off. Then you toggle on it, and then you turn it on. And you can see, once you go down, you can see the return of the interest. You can see for USDT 6.84, for USDC is almost the same thing, and others. I think USDT has the highest returns, but at least it's better than just keeping your funds idle and saving it. At least it will be bringing interest or yields for you on a daily basis. I just activated it for this account today, so that's why you are seeing 0. By tomorrow 12 a.m. it will be updated. So you can also go to my holdings. It will show you the total, the flexible. This is a flexible plan, and the best part is flexible, meaning you can withdraw at any time with no problem, and your interest will be paid to you. So you can go, but you can also, if you want more details on it, you can tap on this you can tap on this question icon. You see automatically generate use from idle assets, and you can unstake flexibly anytime. Or if you want to activate it individually, maybe you don't want all your funds to work with this feature, you can go to your assets, go to your funding, and let's say SROP, and you see the option here, auto savings. You toggle it on. So this is a nice feature. I would like you to try it out and let me know what you think about this feature. If you are using maybe BitGet, Binance, they may have this feature, but for now I'm working with Bybit, and this is a nice feature, especially if you are working with bulk funds. It's a very interesting feature you should try out. See you in the next video.